Hi guys, welcome to Sherman Foods, where we have fun with food. When I first started dehydrating, it changed the way I look at food. The possibilities of things you can make are endless, and it's just so much fun. That's why today I'm going to be giving you 5 reasons why you should get a dehydrator and dehydrate at home. Reason 1, it's easy. All you need is a single ingredient. What you need to do is slice and then set a timer. I mean, it's so easy, a baby can do it.
Ready? Now squeeze.
Yeah, good job, baby. Reason 2, health benefits. It's a healthy alternative to junk foods. And when you dehydrate at home, you are able to ensure that you use organic and the freshest produce possible. You won't have any additives in it either. You will know that it is pure. Reason 3, not only is dehydrating food at home healthier for you, but it's actually gonna save you a lot of money. If you've seen at stores, looked at the dried food section, it'll have lots of additives in there, but it's gonna be, 3 times the price as it would be if you made it at home. So not only is it gonna be healthier for your family, but you're gonna save some money too. Reason 4. All right, this reason is important. If you are buying in bulk, it is good to know that you will be able to dry that produce because it will extend the shelf life for at least up to 2 years. With that, it's just easy because you'll have fresh produce on hand whenever you need it. You can throw it in casseroles, you can throw it in soups, desserts, oatmeal, whatever you want. You'll have it on hand for you when you need it. Reason 5, they make great gifts. All you have to do is find out their favorite food, put it in the dehydrator, and put it in a jar or some cute plastic wrap, and that receivee will be so excited to see that you put in the time and effort to make some delicious food for them. Who doesn't love homemade gifts? Edible ones at that. Be sure to try this out this holiday season. What is your favorite dehydrated snack? Let me know in the comments. And be sure to like and subscribe. Next Friday, we will be posting a super exciting recipe, so hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss out. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day.